wèrè olórin ó ti padà sọ ẹ̀sẹ̀ di Amẹ́ríkà.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń.
They are going up in 10 minutes. They are going up in 10 minutes. They are going up in 10 minutes.
Dr. Easy, I mean, you've been promising us chaos all week. That was complete and utter carnage.
Complete chaos. I mean, it's going to because terrible. Wanted a clean fight.
So what happens next? I mean, Portugal, he came back, he didn't seem happy. He wants to fight Charles during it. Do we see a third?
Well, right now.
This is the highest champions, all global boxers. You are winning. The kind of determination on you. You have to show people in the ring. High rush, enjoy. I want to feel that when she said, "What you do?" Nobody best away here. That way you're learning. But why? What that go? What's in for the gym? Why the food learning now? It's a man look back.
It is happening live here at the Balmoral Convention Center, live in Victoria Island, Lagos. We are ready to have a good time and we shall get things rolling with our very first fight of the night. Making his way to the ring from the blue corner is Sahib Rabiu. King, the founder of the Zen Nation. He is the son of Lane, first of boxing in Nigeria. Make some noise for Habib Bakos, also known as Boxo! Our referees come to the center of the ring.
ẹ̀yin náà wò nǹkan ó lò sí ní wọ̀wọ́ yìí kò sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣe láyé rẹ̀ ẹ̀yin náà wò nǹkan tí bá yẹ pé tí ń bá jà náà òun náà gọ̀ ẹni tó kọ̀ máa ti ẹsẹ̀ bọ̀ lẹ́nu náà kó tó fi ọwọ́ kejì sí oníjó súnmọ́ ẹni tó kúrú ọmọ fọwọ́ gáìdì ẹ̀ tí bá ń bọ̀ ní ọmọ fẹnu kó ó fún ní ọba kọ̀ọ̀tì ilẹ̀ yá ẹ̀yin náà wò nǹkan ìjáwé nù ìjà wọn ní ọjà ẹgbẹ́ wọn jẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́ ní mú káàkiri àfọlórí ibú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó kàn ní ọmọ dá sí kí wọ́n ṣe jáwà blọ́gà náà ká ẹsẹ̀ síra wa ń jọ kan ká dálẹ̀ ká yẹra wa wò àbí ẹ̀yin náà wò kan kò sí ẹ̀fẹ́ jẹ̀sẹ̀ tiẹ̀ ọ fẹ́ gbé ni ẹ̀yin náà wò kan olùsí ọmọ kò sí tó máa ṣe ẹ̀wò kan láì jẹ́ pé ń jà taekwondo láì ṣe UFC olùsí àfi ó búyàn ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fẹ́ wèrè àti dìde ní jà ẹni kó bí ọmọ ṣe rẹ́fù fún wọn ẹ ti wẹ́ni tó lè gbá wọn ní ẹwọ́ ọjọ́ gbá wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo wèrè.
Nigeria, your world, America, UK, America, Canada, Russia. Do you know why I stopped the fight? Offer me long pa, on the game again. See, the fighting. You jam up boxing. Biting, jam up boxing. No, then I'm a star. Hey, let me pa. When I can't get here, all the people who supposed to come to watch my show, man, they perform. Calm down, Baba. I don't take my perform only. And I won't give me jet. I'm from Milano, pa. May I fool a kafa. On Jamoli. On Jamoli. Oh, Jay, you go more. Oleboku. Korimoli Jamo. Only Molly, Roger. Oh, what Jamoli? Oh, I'm in your right. Oh, what's what I get? And you, Mommy. MD. Only birds as a ghost shop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mono yapa man to man pass man mono pa Baba okay me je number 1 o for me lorun pa that's why camera that's why I don't fight again. I'm big more than the money. I'm a star.
Fuck the money.
Mono pa mono for lenu but here then I promise hey I saw on be dada
Benny.
Ta ló gé mi jẹ be lo mi.
Ta ló gé yín jẹ?
Èmi ògo.
Ta ló gé ògo?
Ẹ poni ena. Ẹ gbogbo ti gogo jẹ ni. Ṣé gbogbo gogo jẹ ni. Ẹ wo Nigeria my country. For where you dey shop, ibi tó ti ro nje jẹ, tó bá fi ọ̀nà be han wọ́n lè kí ẹ jẹ.
Yes, na so.
That's Okocha. For where I dey shop. Na me invite you say make dem call you, make dem give you money more fight. Why fight me?
Na so.
You carry my head, put for your armpit, and make me give you kafa.
Kafa straight.
Am I a kid to you? Ṣé mo kéré wájú ẹ? Oh yeah, camera bi tó gẹ́gẹ́, kí wá máa kọrin lọ. Mo then I want to.
One thing everybody must know is that when it comes to sport and music, they go hand in hand. If you watch athletes when they are in their training mode, one thing that excites them or that gets them going is music. So you cannot separate music and sport. They are like twins. So when one is shining, the other one is backing it up, and hence the reason why I'm here.
Okay, so speaking of celebrities, is it just will I call it a playful match or a serious one? Because we know I'm not able to be a musician, I'm not an actual boxer.
As you can see on the fight card, you have Adeni Dilawal, you have Adebayo Chino, you have Verita Squam, you have Anthony Gafaro. These are real fighters. They are real fighters. They are champions. So when you mention that and you mention the celebrity fighters, as you know, yeah, they bring a lot of other eyeballs in terms of, you know, trending and what have you. But the real fighters are they are there on the card. It's not just celebrity fight. The celebrity fight are a part of it. It's just to spike, you know, get people to watch, get people to, you know, it's all part of what makes, you know, sports more and boxing more interesting.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń